let's see today's real interesting recipe. Now I have about 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, and I've taken one large potato and peeled it and sliced it into thin slices, and I'm going to fry it in the ghee till it becomes nice and crispy. Once the potatoes are nice and fried, you're going to drain the excess ghee and you're just going to keep it aside in a bowl or in a plate. Now to the same oil, the same ghee, I'm going to be adding one medium-sized capsicum, which I've cut into thin slices. And we're going to fry the capsicum also in this ghee really, really well. So fry it and then again drain the excess ghee and take it aside along with the potatoes. Now we're going to add one large onion, which again I've thinly sliced, and we're going to fry that well too. So this is a dish which, you just want to get something ready, or you have some leftover rice, or you just don't feel like cooking some elaborate meal, yet you want to make something really nice and delicious. So this is the recipe to go to, especially on the weekends on any weekday where you don't want to really cook something grand, yet you want it to be nice and delicious. So this is really the recipe for that day. So now the onions are nice and fried, so I'm going to take them out. Now to the same ghee, I'm going to be adding 1/4 cup of mixed cashew nuts and raisins, or kishmish as we call it. And I'm going to fry the kishmish and the cashew nuts also really well. So the kishmish tends to swell up a bit and the cashew nuts should be nice and golden brown. So fry that well too. Now you can make this dish with leftover rice, about 1 cup of leftover rice, or you can just cook some basmati rice, about 1 cup, or even regular rice, around 1 cup of it. Should be nice and, don't overcook it. It should be a little bit undercooked or a little bit, pre-cooked. So once the cashew nuts and the raisins are nicely fried, take them out along with the other veggies that we fried. And now I've got some whole spices. So in my whole spices, I have half an inch of cinnamon, 1 elaichi or cardamom, 4 cloves or lavang, and about 1/4 teaspoon of whole pepper. I'm going to add that. Then I also have a paste made out of 2 light green chilies and 4 cloves of garlic. I just made a thin paste out of that, and I'm going to fry the paste along with the whole spices. Fry it really well till you get the lovely aroma of the paste. And the rawness of the garlic also goes away. Now once our paste is nice and fried, I'm going to add all the fried veggies along with the cashew nuts and the raisins back into the ghee, and we're going to mix everything really, really well. Now I'm going to add my 1 cup of pre-cooked rice. Like I said, you can make this dish with leftover rice too. Just see that the rice is not mushy, but the grains are nice and well separated. And now mix everything really nicely together. And now we just have 2 more ingredients to add and our rice is all ready. So mix everything very, very well. So now I'm going to add some salt to taste. Add in the salt and mix it in well. And now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Now this is one option. Otherwise, you can skip the salt and the pepper powder and you can add 2 Maggi cubes. The soup cubes that you get, either veg or chicken. So you can add 2 of those cubes, but then don't add salt and pepper if you're adding the cubes. So you can even try out that. Even that, makes the dish really tasty. But don't put in salt at that time because the cubes already are very, very salty. So that's it, friends. Just mix everything well and, just dig into it. It's really delicious, let me tell you. And this is something I love to cook, when I'm really lazy and I don't feel like cooking something elaborate. But this is It's really, really worth it. So do give it a try and let me know in the comments how you like it. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.